Cross-referencing the manifest now.
Origin certificates match the bill of lading. Go ahead and sign off on Section 2.
Based on the current schedule, we should utilize Lot 4B for the priority order.
Agreed. The quality inspection results are already linked to the manifest.
This section shows clear signs of structural weakness and uneven preservation. Documenting as a critical defect, classification code 5A.
Look at the SPC charts for the thickness profiles. We're outside the control limits here.
And the acceptance rate is below the threshold. We cannot approve this batch.
Buffalo hides tumbling at 12 RPM, delivering enhanced cleaning effectiveness as mechanical action combined with chemical surfactants loosens and removes embedded dirt particles.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates membrane filtration technology, removing particles. 2.25 primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,800 liters of purified water.
Bring it down slowly, watch the edges.
We have a contaminated section here, needs reprocessing.
Specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 140 bar, delivering intensive soil removal through adjustable nozzles with fan spray patterns.
The secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing amylase, targeting carbo. Aids with conductivity sensors measuring ion concentration in rinse water effluent, where readings below 50 microsiemens per cent. Mechanical dewatering operation employs vertical spin extractors featuring programmable acceleration profiles.
This one's damaged. Send it back for recleaning.
Yes, understood.
All parameters met. The pH is stable at 6.9.
Excellent. We can authorize the batch release for soaking.
Workers carefully submerge the cleaned buffalo hides into 12,000-liter concrete vats filled with precisely
pH levels are stable at 8.5 and the temperature is holding steady.
Moisture uptake verified. We are ready for liming. The sulfide levels are stabilizing right the target range.
Agreed. pH is holding steady at 12.5. The batch is ready.
Operating pneumatic hoist mechanisms, workers carefully lift the thoroughly rehydrated buffalo hides, allowing excess soaking solution to drain back into the vessel for recycling.
Check the rotation data on drum 12. pH levels are stabilizing after the adjustment.
Acknowledged. Elapsed time counter looks good.
Drum rotation gradually slows to 4 RPM, then stops entirely, allowing buffalo hides to settle.
Freezer. Industrial scale fleshing and splitting operations process buffalo leather utilizing high capacity. Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continue using industrial grade equipment, including German engineered machines.
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process buffalo leather through mechanical removal of subcutaneous tissues and horizontal division.
We need to adjust the flow rate on the stabilization tank. The parameters are slightly off.
I see it. Rerouting the automated sequence now.
Industrial-scale chromium tanning processes buffalo leather utilizing high-capacity equipment and computer.
Ensure the stabilization parameters remain at 2.61.
Confirmed. The chemical absorption rate is optimal according to the diagnostic report.
The chromium penetration levels are consistent across the batch.
And the tensile strength exceeds the requirement for the premium boot applications.
The robotic feed rate is stable at 2.66 tons per hour.
Quality inspection confirms the stabilization parameters are met.
The chromium levels are stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. We can proceed to the next phase.
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues in the specialized processing area, where
The stabilization levels look optimal.
Confirmed. The automated scan shows 0 defects on this batch.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues, where buffalo hides undergo pigment penetration and color uniform.
The pigment penetration is optimal.
confirmed. All metrics are within international standards.
Our sophisticated facility utilizes advanced methodologies for buffalo hide processing, ensuring deep
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process buffalo leather, utilizing high...
The tensile strength is well within the parameters.
Excellent. The dimensional stability is perfect for the boot application.
The moisture removal rate is stable at 15%.
Good. The dimensional stability on these hides is perfect for the premium boot line.
These figures confirm the moisture removal was successful.
And the elasticity meets the premium boot standard.
Advanced drying and conditioning operations continues in the specialized processing area,
where the texture development is flawless.
It meets the rigorous standards for the premium boot application.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area where buffalo hides undergo fiber manipulation and texture development.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where buffalo hides
The pattern optimization is flawless on this hide. All critical parameters are well within tolerance.
The optimization algorithm increased the yield by 3% on this hide.
That meets the premium boot standard perfectly.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where Indian
All parameters meet the rigorous standards for premium boots manufacturing applications. The tensile strength is well within the acceptable range.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Confirmed. The grain consistency is perfect for the premium line.